Hey, hi. Sorry for the delay. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, yeah. Do you have any questions for the yesterday, day before yesterday? We have loaded customer master data and the material master data. Do you have any, are you facing any issue? So, we loaded customer master data. Okay, customer master data, attributes and text. Attribute and text we loaded. Okay. Now, yesterday also we loaded material master data, attributes and text. So one thing I will tell you, while you are creating info object, while creating info object, we need to select at least one checkbox. Okay, we have three checkboxes. We have three checkboxes. This is very important. Okay, master data text, master data or text or hierarchy. Okay, so either one we need to select the checkbox. Otherwise, it will not act as master data. This is very important. So while you are making this as a customer master data, or material master data, or plant, company code, anything, if you want to make this object as a material master data, then we have to select master data or text or hierarchy. Where we will get these options? While creating info object, okay, we have multiple tabs. So in the multiple tabs, we need to observe this checkbox. Okay, let me show you. So there is a material. Double click this one. Okay. So you can see in the green color. That means they maintain master data text. They did not maintain hierarchy. Okay. So sometimes in the interview they will ask you about compounding. They will ask about attributes as well. Okay. Okay, even if you ask about info object, you need to know about these tabs as well. Attribute, general tab, business explorer, master data text, hierarchy, attributes, component. Whatever we have options in the inside, we need to know. Okay. So here you can see data element. Okay. Automatically it will create. Whenever you give jet mat, automatically data element will create. What it will give data element? It will give same like no data type and length it will give. Data type and length it will give. This is just data element. So this will use for you while you are writing a back code. Okay. When you are using a BAP code in the BW, that time you will get the use of this one. Okay, data element. Just data element means that is what is the data type and length of this info object. So now this data type is char and 18. Okay. This is SID table. In the SID table, how data will be there? You can see it. we cannot able to understand the data in the SAT table level. All the flags will be there. So we cannot understand. Okay, in the internally it will use it for the master data. Now you can see if you select this one. So if you want to know your own interest, if you want to learn more, each and every object, select anyone. For example, lowercase letters. Select and press F1 in our laptop. Press F1. You will get material. See here, I pressed on F1. Now I can able to see about lowercase letters. Lowercase letters allowed or not. Lowercase letters as part of the output properties. And you can click on this and you will get more information as well. Okay. For everything it will show you, okay. This is the, okay. This is the material type will come. Materials. And not only this one, anything. Okay, if you want to know this one, SID table, this one, attribute only. I will select attribute. F1. See now you can see attribute only. When you select this one, when you select this checkbox attribute only, then it will not become as a master data. Remember this point. When you select attribute only, this never act as a master data. Attribute only. Okay. If we set the attribute only indicator for a characteristic, it can only be used as a display attribute for another characteristic and not a navigation attribute. Okay. In addition, the characteristic cannot be included in the info cubes. It can be used in data store objects, info set, and characteristic info. In this progress, the characteristic is not visible during the read access. Yeah, we cannot use. Okay. Attribute only will means we cannot able to add. Like this, whatever you want, you can do it. Okay. Business Explorer in the report level, we have all the options. So we are not going to discuss Business Explorer. Okay. Master data text. This is what I'm telling. With the master data text, with the master data checkbox, and this is with text, with text. So this is very important. These three checkboxes. If you check this master data, then it will become like master data. At least either out of three, at least one. If you check three also, it will become master data. If you check at least one, at least text, then it will become master data. Okay. Now we saw like no loading master data manually. Okay. We created master data and loaded manually. Loaded manually. So I want to load master data from the ECC. ECC or S4HANA. I will load master data. Okay, this is through flat file, right? This is Excel data load master data loading. Now I will load from ECC to SAP BW4 HANA. BW4 HANA, BW HANA. Okay, I will show you now. Okay, in the BW level, you will take zero material. Zero material. In the same way, zero customer. Okay, in the same way, you can do exercise zero plant, company code, zero comp code, okay, zero vendor. Okay. So for this data sources, we already have it. So these are all customized. Okay. We created data source, everything. For this, we have a already data source is available in the system. That is this one. Okay. We are loading zero material. Okay. We are loading material, zero material attribute to material, zero material text to material. However, we did for attribute and text for the customer, and however we did attribute and text to material, in the same way these are all ready-made objects. All objects are started with zero, so these are all no need to create it, already in the system level available. Okay.
హలో బ్రదర్, గుడ్ మార్నింగ్. ఈరోజు ఏ టాపిక్ చెప్తున్నారు బ్రదర్?
Same master data only. Now we are loading from ECC to BW4 HANA. S4 HANA to BW on HANA. Same topic only. Yesterday we loaded flat file, right? We loaded from CSV file to info object, right? So we are loading
Yes.
from ECC to ready-made objects. Okay, see here, these are all ready-made objects. Okay, these are data sources. Let me clear you. Okay, these are all data sources. DS means data sources. These are all informed. Are you clear? Okay, these are all informed. Okay, clear. Huh? So this, like, no, these are all info objects. These are all data sources. So particularly in the real time also, okay, 100% wherever you go and join in the company, these objects should be there. Daily you have to work with them. Okay. Okay, material attribute, material text. Customer attribute, customer text. How we will see? Okay, this will be in the S4 HANA. These objects will be in the S4 HANA. These objects will be in the BW on HANA or BW4 HANA. Okay. So we have to log in into the S4 HANA. We have to log in BW and HANA. There we can see. I'll show you. Okay. Already BW system logged in. I will show you here material. Okay. I clicked on under the modeling info period. Go here. We have a zero material. Okay. Material is there. Plus. See here, zero material is there. Let me go plus. They just give a name. Okay, here you can see material. Okay, in the same way, look for zero customer. This is ready-made object, zero customer. Okay, in the same way, zero plant, plant. In the same way, company code. Okay, we have a company code. Just expand it. Now you can say attribute and text. How we will load? So, okay, already they created a flows. Already they created flows. Okay, let me delete existed flow. Okay, now we don't have any flow. So right click, okay, right click and create transformation because already data source is available. Okay, let me log in S4 HANA, I will show you. Okay, let me understand the source system. First, we need to know source system. What is the source system? Yeah. Click here. Not this one. Okay, fine. I'll go here. Zero comp underscore code. Till now, no one needs to raise it. Okay, right click, create transformation. Now go here and data source I will give zero comp underscore code. Okay, the source system name will go here and will type zero comp underscore code. No values found. Okay, underscore ATTF. No values found. Okay, first we need to search for our data source. Data source is available or not in the BW. Zero comp underscore code underscore ATTF. Okay, here you can see data source. Here you can see data source. This is the data source name, technical name. Here you can see this is the technical name. This is the description. And now you can see this is the source system name. It is coming from source system S4 HANA client 100. Okay, just remember this source system name. And here, so it is already active. Equal means it is already active. So in the source system level, where you can see, okay, first let me log in S4 HANA and go to S4 HANA. First, we need to go RSFI. The ready-made data source we will activate in this level. Ready-made data source. And you can select SAP R3 and click on plus. Control F. Whatever you are looking for data source, here look it. See, now I got it. Under which folder it will have it. First, try to understand which model we have it. A little go up, go up. See now, FIIO, under FIIO we have it, company code, okay? Go here. See here, company code, this green means already activated. This green means already activated. So we have to activate. How do you activate? If it is not activated, select the data source and click on activate data source. The first step is, the first step is, okay, let me write it. We are loading the data from, okay, S4 HANA to BW on HANA. We are loading master data. Okay, step by step. Activate the data source. Activate the data source in RSF file. Okay, in S4 HANA. Step by step. Okay. So now you know, right, how to activate the data source. Okay, let me give the name as well. This is the data source name. Okay, this is attribute data source name. Select the data source. This is RSF file. Let me share you. Okay, this is the transaction code RSF file. Select the data source. Just click on activate data source. If you click on activate data source, it will come like this. Okay, it is already activated. it is not showing. And company code text this one attributes and text. So if you click on this one, already activated, nothing will have be changes. Okay. Now go to RSS6. After activating the data source, it will be available in RSS6. Okay. Go to steps. Okay. Check the data source available in RSS6 or not. 6 or not. Okay. RSS6 T code. Okay. And check here. Go to here and under this FIIO model we have it. FIIO we have it. Okay. Remember this. And yeah, now you can see company code attribute and text. It is in green mode. Okay. That means already activated. If you want to maintain some further, you can double click. Now I can see in the company code attribute, what are the fields we have? Company code, controlling area, chart of account, reason, fiscal year variant, company, and a company currency key we have it. These are the fields. If you don't want to transfer one of the field create control area, then check this checkbox, hide checkbox. And how it will be enabled? Okay, select your data source, go to this pencil, change data source. Click on this. If you want to do changes, now you can select this option. Then this field will not come to BW. Hide field means. Okay, are you getting me? So whatever you selecting, right, these check boxes, this will be enabled in RSA3 level. I will show you the selections. RSA3, right? Uh, 0 com underscore code underscore attr. Enter. See how many fields are came? 4 fields. See, this is the important of 4. So whatever you selected right here, that options only it is came here. RSA3 level here. This selections is giving. So we having 100 company codes. I don't want all. I will give 1000. It is giving you for 4 field selection, not all fields. Whatever you selected here for, these options given you selections here, selections bookers, kkbr, whatever you selected, land 1, so land 1 r camp. Understand this purpose of selection. So we can give click. If you have a company code 1000, then data will come. If we don't have company code 1000, then it will not come. Okay. So this is how it will important. RSA3 means, so whether it is working or not, we will check it. Okay. Okay. Go to T code RSA3 and enter data source, enter our data source. Okay, whether it is working or not, whether it is working or not, whether it is working or not. Okay, check in it. If you are getting records, then it will work. It is working fine. So in this case, it is not working fine. In this case, it is not working fine. Go back. Sorry. Enter. Okay. Just execute it. Once you execute, so generally it has to come recurs. So this is not working properly. Okay. Because this is dummy system. Somebody written something and it is not working. Okay. Go here. Okay. RSA3 level. I will go other data source as well. Zero plant. Might be it's having issue for everything. Plant attribute. Okay. Zero plant attribute. Sorry. ATTR. Okay. Oh, it is not activated plant itself. Let me check other data source. This is dummy system. It's having some issue. Okay. So material it is working or not, we'll see. Okay. It should not go dump. Okay. It will fetch the records. Let me log in other system. It is working or not. ECC. In the real time, it will not go dump. Okay. RSA3. Okay. Whatever we give in material, enter. So now, okay. F8. They written some code. It is going to there. They will enhance the data source and it will have some issues. Okay. So that time it will go dump. So like this it is coming. 100 records coming. So this means it is working. When you are getting in RS3 level records, then it is working. Okay. And in the same way, zero plant. Okay. Execute is plant also. So for this also they written some code, okay, in the case in this exit level they written code. So having some issue, they maintain breakpoint here. Okay, so the breakpoint it is calling to every time this data source. So now to 290 we have it. So then we will call this, okay. Yeah, we'll go to BW. We'll go to BW, like zero company code. We will call this EC01, not S4HANA. It is not working. Let me execute, okay. So how it will come from ECC or S4HANA here? Next step. So we are checking, okay, it is working. Okay, whether it is working or not. Then go to BW system, BW on HANA system. BW on HANA system and enter T code RSDS to replicate the data source, like whatever you are going to do it, okay. This data source, I will replicate it. Okay, this data source replicate means in the English word, we are copying. Replicate means copy. Replicate means copy. Copy the structure. So what is the structure? Whatever we can see, this is right. Whatever we can see, this company code attributes. This is the structure. What is the structure? Double click this one. This structure, man. Okay. Whatever you can see.